Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XO. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and the last traded price of gold is 1931. In my previous video, I told you that there was a good possibility that market would break the previous support of 1939, and as per our expectation, market broke the support and ultimately settled at 1931. This is the last traded price of gold USD. Why we expected that market would break the support? The reason was market was constantly forming lower highs in the market, or in simple words, market was unable to cross the previous highs in the market. So as a result, we expected that market would break the support and market would slip below 1939 level, and yes, market broke the support here. So as a result, the support level or the previous level of 1939 is no more valid. So the next big support for gold USD is 1915 to 1913 level. Okay, I'm talking about the big support here because we have another support around 1926 level, but the level of 1926 is not very reliable. Okay, I'll be explaining one by one. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the strong support zone of 1915 to 1913. Why the level of 1915 to 1913 is important, or how we have derived? Let me show you. First of all, the level of 1915 is important because previously we have seen multiple price rejections on this level. Okay, so as a result, we can expect that when market would fall or price would come down to this level of 1915, we can expect some sort of reversal, at least a reversal or a bounce of 40 to 50 pips. If there is no trend reversal also, at least for time being, we can expect a reversal of 40 to 50 pips from the 1915 level. And why 1913? I said 1913 because of the Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. So in this level of 1915 to 1913, we have not only support, horizontal support, but we also have Fibonacci 78.6% retracement level. So if we combine these two factors, so there is a high chance that market would reverse or take support in this level. Okay, but before this support zone, we have another support level around 1926. Why 1926 is important? 1926 is important because yesterday, when price fell sharply, market bounced from this particular level here. But keep in mind, 1926 is not a crazy strong level, not a very strong level. More or less, you can expect that under normal circumstances, when the market will open on Monday, we know it very well that usually on Mondays, market remains slow during the first half. Okay, so during the first half, if there is no influence of the news, then we can expect market to bounce from 1926, 1927 level. 1926 to 1927 level. So if market comes down to this level, observe the market first. Okay, observation is extremely important because no level is permanent in the market. That's why 100% accuracy is not possible in the market. That's the bitter truth. So if market comes down to this level of 1926, 1927, observe the market first. If there is no influence of the news, market is slow enough, then you can expect that market to take support. You will get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star hammer pattern, any good price rejection from below, bullish engulfing pattern, or any bullish pattern. Once you get the confirmation that market is taking support at a 1926, 1927 level, you can click on the buy button, but follow proper risk management. But in case if you find a market is slipping below 1926 level, then around 1926 to 1924-23 level, market may bounce again. So what I'm saying is that, okay, it may sound a little complicated, but try to understand. 1926 is a minor support. Okay, but you can see that I have also drawn a trend line here. Trend line is a dynamic support of the market. So if in your charting platform, if you love to trade on gold, if possible, try to draw this trend line, because this is a support zone for the market. Okay, are you getting my point? See, in market, support and resistances are not a particular price value. Okay, they always work in the form of zones. Support zone, resistance zone, they always work in the form of zones in the market. So this is a zone of support here around 1926. First of all, we saw price rejection yesterday, then we also have the trend line. So if we combine both the factors here, then we can easily understand that this is a support zone in the market. So if market goes or slips below 1926, do not take a sell position immediately, because by 1923, 1924 market may bounce again. Okay, because this is a support zone in the market, and market support or resistance, they are not a particular value, they work as zones in the market, never forget. Okay, so if market comes down, then the first support will be around 1926, 1927 level, and this is a support zone in the market. Okay, in case market slips below 1926 also, do not take a sell position. There is a high possibility of market bouncing from 1924, 25 as well, if there is no news in the market, if there is no craziness in the market, because after all, this is not a very strong support zone, never forget. The strong support zone is 1915 to 1913. Okay, and then we have 1890. These two are the strong support zone. This is not a strong support zone. Okay, so follow proper risk management. And if market goes up from the current market price, from this level here, then 1940 to 1943, this is a resistance zone in the market. Again, I'm using the word, see, resistance zone in the market, because see, why resistance zone? Yes, obviously we have a resistance around 1950. There is no doubt. 1950. Okay, we have a resistance zone around 1950 level, no doubt. But as I said, and I also said yesterday, the market is constantly forming. What market is constantly forming? What? Market is constantly forming lower highs in the market. So if market continues the same pattern, then obviously market will be facing very much trouble to go to 1950 level. In that case, okay, we can expect 1940 to 43 may act as resistance in the market. How we have derived the level? We have derived the level again with the help of Fibonacci. If you have been watching my videos, then you know that I am a lover of Fibonacci. Okay, so Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level is there around 1943 level. And if we try to understand the candles here, then we can see that overall there can be a selling pressure around this level. Okay, so if market goes up from here, observe the market around 1940, 1943 level. If you see that price market is facing selling pressure, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from above, bearish engulfing pattern, you get the confirmation that yes, there can be a selling position here and you can take a sell position. But in case you see that market is bullish, market is breaking the 1943 level, do not take a blind position. After all, as I always say, no level is permanent in the market. As a result, 100% accuracy is not possible. Okay, so if you see that market is forming big green candles at the resistance, do not take a sell position, just leave it. Leave it. I'll be coming on Monday and I'll explain you what should be your next strategy. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye. Take care. Follow proper risk management. Protect your hard earned money. Bye bye.